There are a total of 1 billion people who are using Apple devices in the world right now. From iPhones, Apple Watches, iPads, Apple TV, AirTags. There's no doubt that Apple is one of the most revolutionary companies that ever existed. In today's video, we're going to go inside Apple's 5 billion headquarters and see a glimpse of what it's like working for them. Hey there, nice to see you. We're Ignite Crunch, and we love giving you exciting and informative content like this one. If you're new, consider subscribing, like, share, and hit that notification bell while you're at it. If you're all set, let's get going with the video. Don't worry people, we're not invaded by aliens. Yet. What seems to be a gigantic spaceship parked in Cupertino, California is actually tech juggernaut Apple's headquarters, named the Apple Park. This exquisite sprawls across 176 acres of land and might be just one of the most stunning campuses ever built. Despite its very futuristic design, the Apple Park was constructed for a very long time. Steve Jobs announced the start of the headquarters way back in 2006 after a total of 8 long years of proposal, planning, and permit applications. By 2014, the construction finally had started, and by 2017, the extensive Apple workforce was beginning to move. The massive circular structure is now an iconic sign of the Apple brand and a wonderful testament to the company's devotion to effortless design and sustainability in the future of technology. It was initially estimated that the campus would cost just $500 million to construct. However, the land itself cost $160 million, and the expenses quickly started to overrun. By 2011, their budget multiplied drastically by $3 billion. And when it was all finished, Apple was looking at a bill of around $5 billion. That is an enormous amount of money for any company to justify, except Apple. Let's take a look at where the money was spent and what makes Apple Park so remarkable. For starters, the campus is summed up by an array of buildings. However, 80% of the land is still viewed to be green space. Apple's designers had spent a lot of time and effort in making the park blend seamlessly into Mother Nature. They planted over 9,000 resistant trees throughout the land, including olive, apricot, cherry, and a few variety of apples. To motivate their employees to keep a healthy lifestyle, the campus features 3.2 kilometers worth of various running and walking trails, as well as 1,000 bikes to use to travel between the buildings. Other lifestyle establishments include wellness center, a gym, and a couple of basketball courts. Not to mention, they also provide a 2-story yoga studio. This amazing campus really does take care of its employees and the environment too. All of their buildings are eco-friendly with a main ring structure, being home to the world's most gigantic rooftop solar farms. This solar-covered roof produces up to 17 megawatts of energy, which is well enough to meet 75% of the campus's power demand during peak hours. The rest of the campus's needs are met by on-site fuel cells, energized by power fuel or natural gas. The main Apple building also utilizes a natural ventilation system. It means that they don't use traditional cooling and warming methods for 9 months of the year, furthering the headquarters' green credentials. The campus is nicknamed the Spaceship or the Ring. The central circular building is indeed a mesmerizing architecture. It is 4 stories high and it has over 1.2 million square feet of office space and enough room to hold up 12,000 employees. The designers included a lot of glass in the building, and the construction event showcased the most extensive glass panes in the world. There are 800 of the 45-foot tall curved glass panels around the headquarters exterior and around 3,000 smaller panels that can be found inside. The natural sunlight, low-level LEDs, and see-through material make the spaceship a gorgeous, bright place to work. A lot of sunlight can definitely help boost their employees' productivity. Despite being hidden, one of the most remarkable spaceship features is deep below the ground. The main ring is one of the few structures in the US and even the world to make use of base isolation, which shields the ring even from the worst earthquakes. The isolation system consists of 692 big stainless steel plates that let the building move up to 4 feet in any direction without any structural harm. Also located underground is a parking area and road network that is completely hidden below the trees. Putting those underground is vital to keep the green space in and around Apple Park. Other features include 7 cafes with enough room to seat 3,000 people. The catering team has enough capability to provide meals to 15,000 employees every lunch hour. Also found underground is the wonderful Apple Auditorium, formerly called the Steve Jobs Theater. The Apple Park is jam-packed with amazing amenities and features, unlike any other work environment in the world, from their environmental footprint to taking care of their employees. The futuristic facility has been incredibly well received and a world standard in an amazing work environment can really be. And that's the end of another video. What would you feel if you work at Apple's headquarters? Let us know in the comments section below. Please subscribe, like, share, and tap that notification bell before you go. We're Ignite Crunch, and we'll see you in the next one.